Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be looking at the best 3D printer for ghost gun kits. This 3D printer is for users who want to create their ghost gun kits with the latest 3D technology. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we've compiled the top 5 best 3D printer models for ghost gun kits. Each has been tested and reviewed to guarantee your satisfaction with the end product. This 3D printer is used in any condition, whether you're starting or are a pro at creating ghost guns. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer. Are you ready to enter the world of ghost guns? Introducing the FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer, the ultimate companion for crafting your personalized firearms. This cutting-edge machine packs a punch with its impressive features. Get ready for serious firepower with a large build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 inches, 280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, providing ample space for your ghost gun creations. And here's the kicker, it's equipped with auto-leveling technology, intelligently compensating for any platform height variations during printing. Say goodbye to manual leveling headaches and hello to a seamless printing experience. Heat things with the Guider IIS high-temperature nozzle that can handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. You can experiment with various filament options like PLA, ABS, ASA, PBA, PETG, Nylon, HIPS, PA, PC, wood, electrically conductive materials, and carbon fiber composites. But that's not all. The Guider IIS boasts a dual platform designed for excellent model adhesion and quick heat bed heating. Its durable yet flexible build plates make removing your printed masterpieces a breeze. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.